Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called the eyedropper tool. First guys, I want to go to the file and select a new document. When I want to select a new document, just I want to create a click button here. When I want to create a click button here, then guys I want to go to the layer panel. In that layer panel I want to open this layer. After that guys, I want to go to the file and open. I want to click on open. When I want to click on open, that time guys I want to come here. I want to select this cartoon background and I want to just click OK. When I want to click OK, then guys I want to open the lock. Now you want to see guys here lot of different colors it is there. These colors you want to select exact color, means that time you want to select the eyedropper tool. When you want to select the eyedropper tool, that time you want to select it and then see guys here my green color it is there. I don't want to this green color, I want to select this red color, means that time you want to come to the toolbar and you want to select the eyedropper tool. When you want to select the eyedropper tool, just I want to click on it. When I want to select the eyedropper tool and I click there, that time that color is added here. Then guys you want to see why I want to use this eyedropper tool. When I want to select that color, I want to double click on my color palette. That time you want to see that color codes it is coming. One is a HSB and this is RGB color code and lab color and CMYK color. HSB means hue, saturation and brightness. RGB stand for red, green, blue, and here CMYK means cyan, magenta, yellow and K is a black. Here it is showing this is called a HAX color. Like that type you want to select exact color, means that time you want to use this eyedropper tool. After that guys you want to come to the color sampler. Why I want to use the color sampler, means in that color sampler, suppose you want to create some design here, that time the client asking each and every color code. That time you want to select this color sampler and you want to just click on it. Like that type you want to select how many colors it is there. See, maximum it is coming to the, see guys, what is the error it is showing? Could not create a new sample because of that maximum number of samples are 10. Okay, like that type you want to at a time you want to see the 10 color code 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Like that type you want to use this 10 color code here. When that 10 color code it is coming, that time you want to see guys here you want to see here only RGB values it is coming. Why means here my document is there RGB color mode. That is the reason it is coming to the my RGB values here. After that guys you want to come to the rulers. What is the meaning of ruler? Means you want to go to the tailoring shop. That time what happened guys, the tailor it is measure the width and height. That time guys what happened, you want to measure the width and height. That time we use this measurement tool. When I want to select my measurement tool, that time you want to see this rectangular height I need, means you can just drag top to bottom. That time my height it is coming and here my height it is coming, and you want to come left to right. That time you want to see guys my width it is coming. Like that type you want to use this ruler width and height. After that guys, what is the next tool it is there? That is called a note tool. What is the meaning of note tool? Means you want to see guys here, you want to see you can note down any point. Suppose you want to see here how do you want to create this frame, means that time you want to click on the note tool and click on it. That time my note tool window is open here. First I want to take a rectangle tool and I create a frame. Okay, like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a note tool. Like that type, step by step you can note down your points. That time we use this note tool guys. After that guys, what is the next tool? It is there, next tool it is there guys, that is called a 1 2 3 count. Okay, suppose guys I can close that all documents. When I want to close that all documents, I want to open this image. After that I want to go to the file and open. When I want to go to the file and open, then guys you want to see, I want to open this picture. When I want to open this two picture, you want to see guys, here you can easily identify here total how many people is there. That is like here two people is there, one is boy and another is the girl. Okay, but you want to come here, here you want to see, then what happened here, many people is there. Suppose you want to see guys the newsreader. The newsreader, what happened, news they want to cover some news. Suppose one meeting it is happen, in that meeting this many people is attend this meeting. That time the newsreader, how to they know, that means they want to take a one photo. That photo they want to open in Photoshop. When they want to open in Photoshop, that time you want to select the 1 2 3 count. When they want to select the 1 2 3 count, here in option bar, here one folder it is there, that is called a create a new folder. When I want to create a new group, here first I want to search for the girls. When I want to search for the girls, that time here you want to see guys which color you want, you can select that color. After that, here I want to increase my marker size 10. When I want to increase my marker size 10, that time you want to see guys, I want to click like this. I want to click like that. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. After that guys, I want to come again option bar. In that option bar, I want to select for the boys. When I want to select for the boys, that time I want to choose the different color. Okay, when I want to choose the different color, that time you want to see guys, here we choose the different colors here. Okay, like that type I want to select it. After that you want to see guys, total number of people is there 64 66. Total number of people is there 66. In that people, boys is there 34. You want to select the girls is coming to the 32. Like that type you want to use this 1 2 3 count. And hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.